Hi everyone, I'm Amber.
And I'm Brian.
We're out today at Sun and Fun for day number 4.
It's going to be a hot one. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. So we found out how much it's going to cost to get our license if we want to have a job right after class. And it has to be 5 days a week, 9 hours.
Yeah.
$110,000 each. And Amber's like, it's okay, we can just buy our tickets. But this is Saturday. It is crazy. Not as crazy as I thought it was going to be, but we haven't gotten over to the flight line yet.
And it's supposed to be a nice, hot, and humid day.
And I'll be honest, it doesn't really feel like it's 90 degrees yet.
Don't say that.
It doesn't. But you know, we've met some of the Thunderbirds. It's been a really enjoyable time being part of the media team here.
And we have to say thank you again for Sun and Fun
Yes.
for allowing us to be here the whole week as media.
A series of snap rolls brings Michael back towards show center. Chevy with the engine running, just you and me.
is dramatic stuff. Keeping into account the wind too to stay on target. Separating and now heading down and down and down. And as they come at us,
the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
it's going to be epic. Keep your eyes on the sky too. Wild, it's going to get crazy now. Watch Aaron Fitzgerald. Sit back now and be amazed in this setting sun.
One day soon the world's gonna end. I'm gonna make out with my new best friends. I wanna live life before. Coming to us originally from Washington, leaps the rolls. Not only back flips, but Rick, one of your favorites.
The forward flip, I still hasn't figured out how he does it. He's got to keep positive G on the rotating wings. I guess for a reasonable amount of time, but if he gets up there and gets it just right, he can actually pitch it forward and upside down for a bit. Listen to those rotating wings protest. Again, let's just watch and listen. Setting up though, he's got to get the energy just right. And when he's got the numbers right, he'll throw it forward. Wait for it, back he goes. Dropping down now, he's building up the energy. Does he have it this time? Keep your eye on the helicopter. Will it pitch forward? Round he goes. Roll it. He's heading up for the energy now. Let's go, Aaron! see him grinning.
Oh,
All the way down. Look at that. He's loving it.
oh, keep those wands going.
Give him a wave.
Show 'em love.
How exciting is that? That is just crazy flying, huh?
sortie stunt plane, which is kind of really fun when you're flying a wingsuit, and then all of a sudden you've got an airplane flying with you, launching fireworks. Fireworks! Yeah, I love it. Those girls are on fire! Pumping up the fireworks. Her children, Isla and Koa, are here with their friends Aria and Ember.
Pull me down, and when the sky went dark.
Things we love, like our chicken fries and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love gets a little chicken fries and cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and know a mother's love. I can almost see the dream I'm dreaming. There's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking